What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you guys a 14 kg ACBUY haul. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So here's a video of my dad opening the parcel for the haul. And these are all the packages that I got after opening the box. So as you can see, I got like a lot of clothes, items, shoes and stuff. So yeah, let me just show y'all what's in it. This first package is a Louis Vuitton bag that I got from my mom. I don't really know like the details and like the legitness check, so I'm just gonna show y'all it and then yeah, let's move on. Alright, this is another bag for my mom. It's a YSL bag. It's like black. It has gold lettering. So again, I'll just show you guys it and then let's move on again to the next items. Okay, this item right here, the Nike Dunks. They're University Blues. I was planning to get some spider blue pants to match with them, but unfortunately they didn't arrive. As you can see, the stitching is there, colors there. I have a pair of Panda Dunks. I compared them to the two. They look like identical. Here's a tag. And yeah, basically, it's very legit, one of one. I think it was like $20 and I would recommend it. Okay, this hoodie that I got here, it's the pink spider hoodie. I got it from my mom again, because it's her birthday coming up. But anyways, this is going to be the last item I get. And the rest is just going to be like a haul just for me. So, there's puff print. You see the spider design is there. There's like the little stars, the black and blue ones that have like the 5 on them. It's like a very thick quality cotton hoodie. Here's a tag, came with like a sticker on it. And then here's the words that it says. I can't really read it that well, but I don't think people are going to be getting that close anyways. As you can see, it's like really like actually cotton on the inside. The back is blank. Alright, this is what it looks like on me. I don't really know what I was doing with my arms here, but basically it looks really real. You should not get caught out for it if you wear it in public. And yeah, it's like, I wouldn't say it's one of one, but it's like really good. So let's move on to the next item now. Okay, here's another hoodie. It's a ACBUY purple spider hoodie. So I got the biggest sizes on everything. So if it's like too big for you or like too small, like I'll just recommend to just size up or just get the biggest size. And then if it's too big, then you can just put it in the dryer. And that's what I'm going to do. So basically, here's what it looks like. It doesn't have any puff print, but it does have like the little dots. Here's a tag. It has the words. Has a sticker again. Basically, I don't really like it that much because it doesn't have puff print. I don't really like it that much because it doesn't have puff print, but you shouldn't really get called out for it. Here's what it looks like on me. As you can see, the spider web design cuts off short. It's not really high quality, but for the price, I'd say it's okay. I guess I wouldn't recommend to buy it though if I were you. All right, here's the next item. They are gray essentials pants. They look pretty real. My friends have real ones, and I tried them on. They feel good. I mean, I didn't try on my friend's one, but I tried on these ones. They look identical. They are like tight, like around the bottom of your legs, and they're cuffed at the bottom. But like everything else, it's really good. The logo's there. Drawstrings are good. It's like 100% cotton. And for spring, I think it will be like appropriate clothing. It's not too heavy, and yeah. Okay, so these pants are like way too big for me, so I'm gonna have to like put them in the dryer, or maybe hot or warm. Basically, I would recommend to go true to size. As you can see, it's really high quality. So let's move on to the next item. Okay, the next item are going to be gray spider pants, the ones that have like green on them. I have the hoodie matching to this. I tried on the combo together. They look really good, and these actually like feel really high quality. These are like the cheapest clothing I got on the list. They're like $9. I just found them quickly and I bought them because the blue spider pants I got refunded. And yeah, again, I got like the biggest size, but I would recommend to size up on this one because it fits perfectly. And yeah, I'll just let you guys take a look at it. Here's what they look like on me. They fit really good. They fit kind of baggy. That's kind of what I like though. They're cuffed at the bottom, but it's like not too bad. It's evenly distributed all around. Stars are all there. It's really good. I'd recommend to buy it. One of one. Okay, here's the next item. I got a black and gray Bape hoodie. I have a blue version of it. Here's what it looks like. It has a Bape bag. Looks like one of one. My friend has one of these gray ones. It has like 2 hoods in one. Looks pretty good. Here's the back. Here's what it looks like on me, zipped up. See, it's like you can't see through the holes if you're expecting that. But yeah, it feels good. I'd recommend you to buy it. Alright, let's move on to the next item. Okay, here I got some Pokemon cards. I think it was like $4. It came with a booklet that can hold the cards. It's like a bunch of like super mega EXs. They do look really fake on the back. It's like glossy and stuff, but I'm just gonna like put it in the binder just for like show. I'm not gonna like trade or sell them or anything, just for collection. Let's move on to the next thing now. Okay, next up I got a shirt. It's a Bape and Chrome Hearts collab. It's like black and white. Has a design on both sides. It's really good, but you just like can't really wash it without it shrinking. Has a Bape bag, as you can see. Here's the design on the front. Has the Bape tags and everything. The logo. This is what the card looks like. Here's a tag. Here's the back design. Looks pretty cool. Here's what it looks like on me. I would recommend to size up maybe once, or if you don't want it to be like baggy, then just get true to size. Now let's move on to the next item. Okay, here I got a Chrome Hearts laundry basket. I don't know really why I got this. I don't think I'm gonna put clothes in there, but it's pretty cool. Here's what it looks like. Now let's move on to the next item. Okay, here I have a Chrome Hearts zip up hoodie. I know I got a lot of Chrome stuff in this haul, Chrome Hearts stuff in this haul, but a lot of the other brands I have multiple of, so I just wanted to add this to my collection. So here's a tag and stuff. Chrome Hearts looks pretty cool. Here's a tag. There's a back design. Looks pretty cool. Has like a ring. This one doesn't have a cross on it, but there's like an arm design and stuff like that. Here's what it looks like on me. Looks pretty good. I'd recommend to like go true to size or maybe size down once. Fits pretty big, and yeah, I recommend it though. It's like $40, but it's really, really high quality. It's like 100% cotton, and I think it's actually worth it. Now let's move on to the next item. Alright, here I got like a little Pokemon backpack. It's Gengar, I think. It's like a purple Pokemon. It actually like barely fits anything. It's pretty big. Most of the space is just taken up by the inside of the backpack. I would not really recommend this unless you're just doing it for the looks. It can maybe hold like a phone and a wallet, but that's like really it. It has like barely any space. Material's pretty good, but unless you're buying it just for the looks, don't buy it. Like, it has no space. Let's move on to the next item. Alright, we're getting close to the end of this haul, but let's keep going. Here I got some Ken Carson Goomba plushies, like the Mario Goomba thing. Has his free forms. I don't really know. These were like $3 each. You have to buy 2 minimum. I don't really know why I bought this either. I think it's just for like an accessory. But yeah, let's just move on to the next item. Alright, here I got a crew neck hoodie type thing. It's another Chrome Hearts. I'm pretty sure my friend has it. It's actually really good. It's pretty tight, so I would recommend sizing up. If you're like a large, maybe size up or go true to size. But yeah, it fits pretty tight. Here's what it looks like. Has the same little Chrome Hearts tag. It's like a half design. A little bit of it is white and the arms are black. It actually looks really like cool, and I like it. It has like the normal Chrome Hearts design, like the zip up. It's just like a, you know, you can wear like white thunders with it or something. Here's what it looks like on me. As I said, it's pretty tight. Has the arm design, Chrome Hearts. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say. It's pretty good, high quality, not really that expensive. I think it was like $17. But yeah, now let's just move on to the next item. Okay, here I got a gray Centrals hoodie. I know Centrals are getting pretty cheap nowadays, but I don't know if I can really trust StockX. I've been hearing that their stuff is fake, so I might as well just buy it even cheaper for the, you know, same quality. It's also fake. I would recommend size up once or twice. Size up twice if you're tall, but if you're short, just size up once. The inside quality is actually really good. I could just tell it was good from the warehouse pictures. It's like cotton. Here's the back. Essentials, Fear of God. It's like the same color as the original hoodie. It's like 1 of 1. I'm gonna compare it with a real one. Here, as you can see, looks pretty good. I have a black one of these, but it's real. It's kind of similar, but this quality is actually like looking better than the real one. But anyways, I would recommend it. 1 of 1. And let's move on to the next item. Alright, this is gonna be the last thing in the haul. It's an off-white shirt, just like basic. Has the little square logo. Here's a bag. And yeah, I'm just gonna let y'all look at it while I end the video off. Okay, so I will be leaving my spreadsheet and my Discord server in the description. Make sure you guys check it out if you guys need help. And basically, like, subscribe and like, so I can make more videos like these. I might make like an updated video, maybe like a couple weeks or a month, showing like if they grew or shrunk, or if the quality has changed, to show you guys what it is to have fake clothes. But yeah, I think this is where I'm gonna end the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and peace out.